Good morning. So this is almond for Barney. Zozo and then Lavi cannot eat it. They doesn't like it. So almond. The seeds for Lavi and then the Zozo. Oh, they share. So I put some corn. I make it smaller one for the corn for them. Put over here. Sometimes Barney like it as well. It's a fresh corn, just a little bit, enough for him. And then the seeds for Barney. Barney seeds a little bit bigger. It's a different size of the seeds. Oh, different size of the seeds. That's right, something drop is alright. So put over here. Already wiped down the bowl. Bowl is clean. That's it. We can get back. So here you go. This for Lavi and then Zozo. And then this for Barney. It's different. Barney needs a bigger one. It's an almond for Barney and corn. This for them. All right. Where are they? They're ready to get out, are they? Yes, they can't wait. They're hungry. Barney, which way you get? Oh, Barney straight away having an almond, do you, Barney? You can't wait. What do you want, Lovey? Zozo. Zozo, you come here, Zozo. Zozo, you eat it here. You eat it here. No, you want to eat from... You eat it here. Yes. Oh, you're here, Barney. You love the almond, do you? No, Zozo want to eat from there. Zozo eat corn as well. Hey Zozo, you love the corn. No, Barney's here. Lovey already had some food inside. Barney, that's big corn, Barney. Give some too. Lovey? No? You're full? You can have some. You still want to carry the big corn. It's too heavy for you, look. Can we carry it? Oh, that's heavy, sweetie boy. Muscly Barney. You won't let anyone eat it. Yeah, too heavy. I help you. Too heavy. Oh, you okay? So what they have in the morning, they have food. Barney still try to carry the corn. And they have a clear water for bath. Sometimes they drink it. And they have water for drinking as well. That's tap one. So it's tap one. Barney still trying to get it. Barney laughed the shit. Yeah, they will have chance. Everyone have a chance to eat. But Lavi already had for the inside. I don't want to. He's too aggressive. he already been fed. Lovey already been fed in a little cage. Oh, you dropped.